I have prepared the bags that I have at home for you to show. They are behind my bag, and I will tell you which patterns I have, which video tutorials I have, and which ones you can get right now. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you want to get the links to the pattern, to video tutorials, please send me a message and I will send you the direct link. My most favorite bag during this summer and autumn is this one, my best friend. It's created with 4mm polyester cord. It's a little bit different than the bag that I showed you previously. It's a quite big, it fits a lot. The color is gray for this bag, and I don't know, it's practical, useful, and everything fits here. I have two more bags, different color but the same bags. So it's white for the summer. I made it for myself for the summer. I have a written pattern and free video tutorial how to make it. You can see the difference right here. I made it a little bit shorter, but also this one was created more tight. I don't know why I was doing this, and this one was created a little bit more loose, so it's softer. So it depends the technique you are working, it will be more soft or more tight. And one more, I have this bag, one more in black. Here it is. I showed you a while ago, I don't know how, but the handles, this one is even more loose. I followed the same pattern, but it became even more bigger because I was making it more loose. So the same pattern, you can make different bags. So, but I will remake these handles because they are too long. Probably I already mentioned it for you, so I will just remake the handles for it. But it's just perfect, like a bag. I really like them because they are big enough to fit everything and fits to any outfit I have. I just pick the different color. I'm introducing you Sofia Nostalgia. Simple and beautiful. Simplicity makes it perfect, you know? Also created with 6mm cord. The color is brown. I have written pattern how to make it. It gets along with my flowers. What do you think? With 3mm cotton cord, twisted cotton cord, I created Agata amenity bag. It was holes and a couple of stripes. Would be great as beach bag, shopping bag, or just a bag for any day or occasion. I have written pattern how to make it. Actually, probably I have all written patterns for all the bags, just not all the bags have the video tutorials. But if you want to learn how to make a bag with a video tutorial, send me a message because I have a list which bags to make next with the video tutorials. So if I receive many messages how to make the bag with the video tutorial, I will prioritize this and make it faster. Okay, so just send me a message. It's time for the bags with bamboo handles. So this bag is named Golden Life. It's created with golden color 6mm cord, and I was using bamboo handles for it. The size is medium. I have video tutorial. I have only written patterns how to make bamboo handles, and one more. This is another design. you can see it's like a triangle, and this is like this, and I made this with 2 colors. Bamboo handles bag. The size, this one is maybe a little bit bigger than this one. Which one you prefer? Gray azalea. This bag is also created with cotton cord, twisted cotton cord, 3 millimeters, quite small. It can be used like this, or you can put the handle like this and use it like this, the back front, or like this. So it's up to you how you want to use it. I'm also thinking to make the same bag only in 6 millimeters, so it will be bigger. I have written pattern how to make it. The color is dark gray.